Matapos ang kanilang matagumpay na Southeast Asian Basketball Qualifiers campaign, mas matinding kompetisyon naman ang haharapin ng Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-18 team sa kanilang pagsabak sa FIBA Under-18 Women's Asia Cup Division B na gaganapin sa Shenzhen, China mula June 24 hanggang 30. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Job is not finished para sa ating Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-18 team dahil sa nakatakda nilang pagsabak sa Division B ng FIBA Under-18 Women's Asia Cup na arangkada mula June 24 hanggang 30 sa Shenzhen, China. Matatandaan na nagkwalipika ang Gilas Under-18 kasunod ng kanilang 3-game sweep sa Southeast Asian Basketball Qualifiers na ginanap nito lamang nakaraang linggo sa Ratchaburi, Thailand. Mas mabigat na kompetisyon man ng Asia Cup kumpara sa Siaba Qualifiers, kumpiyansa si Gilas Under-18 Women's Guard at Team Captain Eva Fajardo na kaya ng kupunan na ma-promote sa Division A.
I really do think we have what it takes. I think we just have to continue to have that mentality. Like, we have to have that mentality to win, that we all want to win. That's the coach's mentality right now. And us as players and me as a captain, I have to make sure that, we're also on board on that.
Ibinahagi rin ni Fajardo kung ano pa ang dapat nilang ayusin sa kanilang laro para magawang magkampiyon sa nasabing torneo.
I think we're pretty polished right now, but obviously I think one of our biggest components is just like our defense and our defensive mindset. Something that we probably need to work on a little bit. Just being very cohesive with each other. It takes a little bit of time, but with that Thailand tournament, we've been gelling pretty well, so I think it's going to go well.
Makakaharap ng Pilipinas sa Group B ang world rank number 51 na Syria, number 86 na Lebanon at number 96 na Maldives. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.